So today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. First up, we have a major makeover with this bob. Stylist does add some color for this one. Wow, absolutely stunning ash blonde hair color. She has the darker roots, beautiful tousled hair, and she also has the asymmetrical shape with this cut as well. This is absolutely stunning. So then we move on to a hair transformation by Chris Jones Hair. Looks like he's doing a bob cut with bangs. And she has a really gorgeous platinum hair color. The bangs just accent the bob beautifully. Wow, she looked amazing. So next up we see someone with some grown out color. Her hair is super long. I'd say maybe about waist length. The stylist cuts the hair, adds in some color. Oh, she's getting a bob. Wow. Definitely a major hair change. Whoa. Absolutely stunning angled bob haircuts. And her hair is so thick and full. She does kind of still have like the ombre effect. Darker roots, lighter, brighter blonde there going on the ends. Beautifully done. And then we have another color change. Oh, looks like she's going with some purple hair here. Wow, very unexpected and bold. Oh wow, this is absolutely stunning. Such a gorgeous color. And then we have another mid-length cut. Stylist adds in some color. Another ombre blonde with the face framing highlights. Gorgeous. Wow, check out this undercut style with the print design. That's very unique and bold. And then we have another color transformation here. So the stylist cuts off the ends. Takes the client lighter and brighter with this beautiful bob makeover. Absolutely stunning shoulder length bob haircuts. Alright you guys, I hope you were enjoying these hairstyles that were in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.